Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Clipper Super 68D seed cleaner. We're going to do a walk around of this unit, and we're going to fire it up for you so you can see it run. We disassembled this unit, refinished it, put new wood where new wood was needed. This unit has been completely gone through. We changed every bearing. It has all new belts, new sheet metal where new sheet metal was needed. We fitted it with a set of safety shields. As I said before, this unit has been completely rebuilt. I absolutely love the way these units look when they're under fresh varnish. We have set this unit up to use ball trays instead of the mechanical brush system. You can see inside of the shoe there, the balls bounce around as the clipper shakes, and it keeps the screen from blinding. In a minute we're going to fire the unit up for you so you can see it run. Now this unit does have a catch-all that sits on these shoulders right here, and what that does is it catches the scalpings as they come off of the scalping screen. We are in the process of fabricating the catch-all, and we wanted to get this unit outside and make a video of it before it rains. We're expecting some rain. Now we are going to fire the unit up so you can see it run. Alright, we fired the unit up. Starts right up. The motor has been completely rebuilt. It is in like new condition. Starts strong, runs strong, hums right along. There are no irregular noises. You can see the shoe shaking back and forth here. Maybe you can see the balls bouncing around in the tray there. You can see the bottom fan running. It's a beautiful old piece of machinery. Again, this unit has been completely rebuilt and is in like new condition. See the hopper turning up here. Everything is working as it should. Again, we're in the process of fabricating that end catch-all. We wanted to get this unit outside and get the video made before it rained, so that catch-all will be installed once it's finished. Just an all-around nice unit. That wood is just beautiful. You can see the fans turning up inside of it. It is a little windy, so hopefully the wind doesn't cut out the audio. Thank you for watching.